I'm driving through the cancel, but people who don't have pockets, what you're gonna do is like you're gonna put people on the back, like I did, and then what you're gonna do is take that big roll of tape, 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 and tape, and then you're finished. But about so big, and about the inside, you can also like put sheets of paper if you want to write down some things, um, times tables, if anything. But yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to um, print out this page. So they're so close. I'm gonna go to here. Move this. And I'll go back here. This is just mixed up. Now I gotta go. I can find the images of. Still going. Oh, here. And then last one here. I'm using that. Okay, now for that page, gotta zoom out. Perfect. And I'm gonna close up this binder because it's not saving space. Now, wait, what was I gonna do? Sentiments? Wait, I forgot what. Sentiments. Oh yeah, times table. So, for what? Division? Let's search the images of a clock. You said times table. Yeah, and clock. Oh. Oh, for time? Yeah. Doing time. No, you don't need that. Well, I'm leaving and going to the baby. Yes. Because I always forget which one. There's the minute hand, hour hand, and yes. What I'm gonna do. Times. Okay, got a time table. I'm gonna like get the food. I don't want to. Perfect. Now I'm gonna print this. See you in a little bit. Okay, I'm back. With the paper. Now, so if you like buy all these things, or draw these things, or control these things, you know what I'm talking about. Take your binder. Oh wait, it's moving. Down like boom, stick, like just open it up. Open this up. And time to put this in. So what I'm gonna do is I have to like measure it. You guys might not be able to see it. Well, it's obvious you can't see it because I'm trying to almost what the flip. Okay. Might just gotten weird a bit there because like my binder's on top of my keyboard. Not like keyboard the piano, like for a computer. Cause I'm using a computer for this. That's why I can't like make shorts. I'm making shorts on phone, so okay. Perfect. Now, I might be like doing my homework, my binder right next to me, and I'm like, what's this? Like, I forgot. I keep on forgetting the clock. So I might just be like, oh, well, it's right there. Ta-da. Okay, so that's how you make a printable thingamajiggy. Bye.